Hi guys, good evening and everybody. Thank you so much for joining my channel. Today I'm going to cover most important topic, TikTok ban. Starting from the journey from India, which got banned on 30th of June, to the journey till USA, how the things got moderated and how things are affecting the entire world population of TikTok. So I'm going to cover this important topic. This entire video is going to be in English for the benefit of everybody, because there are no videos in English in the entire YouTube channel. So hence I'm making on the special request and demand from many guys outside, staying outside India, and demanding that the video should be made in English as well. So thank you so much guys. Stay tuned to my channel. Thank you. So the TikTok journey started in India from 30th of June. In India, TikTok got banned on 30th of June. Okay? India has approximately 20 million population which are using TikTok, and Indian government, Mr. Narendra Modi, the Honorable Prime Minister, took a decision in which he banned 79 apps in India. Post that, on 15th of July, Indian Army took a bold step and banned Facebook and Instagram. On 30th of June, Narendra Modi banning 79 apps, and on 15th of July, Indian Army banning Facebook and Instagram. Why were these banned? The bans were being imposed. Why? Because number one, the tension on the border increased with China. In fact, China army entering towards the Indian boundaries. The tension started creeping up, and hence Indian government had to take a step. These apps were primarily banned just because of they were into the data breaching part. They were trying to breach the data as per the security threats which were being told by certain intelligence agencies. Hence the Indian government had to take a bold step in order to ban these apps. Now the most important question is why these Chinese applications were banned in India, as well as by the Indian Army banning Facebook and Instagram. The main answer to this question is the Chinese military forces were trying to creep in to the Indian boundaries, which in fact led to the tension between India and China. And now that the border tension, the tension from the border has now become a technological war. In fact, all the imports and exports has been banned by Indian government currently. Next important answer to this question is there were certain breach of security concerns that were being reported by Indian intelligence army, which in fact lies to the fact that these applications were trying to steal the data of Indian users and give it to the Chinese government. Although it has not been proved yet, but yes, there are speculations behind it. As everybody is aware that the relationship between China and USA is on a very dark side, and the relationship between India and America are on a very good side. So now the reason comes into picture why the relationship between USA and America is on a bleak side. The main reason behind it is Trump says that this is not a coronavirus, this is basically a China virus. And on this, the Chinese government has placed certain allegations on American army as well, saying that this coronavirus has cropped up from American army. This is the main reason behind the tension between China and America. Now, the main picture comes into play is Trump also took up important and bold step, saying that he is going to ban TikTok. As everybody knows that China are very smart. They are freak smart guys, and hence post Trump announced that they are going to ban TikTok. In fact, you should be aware that the earning of TikTok in America is second largest in the entire world. They earn billion and billion of dollars from there. So now, after Trump gave a signal to ban TikTok in America, TikTok ByteDance company took an important decision by announcing that they are going to give 10,000 jobs in America in coming 3 years time. Apart from that, they raised a fund in which TikTok ByteDance company supported with $200 million for young creators who are making videos on TikTok. This was in fact a very bold step. But this step also could not unturn the decision of Trump for banning TikTok in America. Then after that, what happened? Microsoft company CEO Mr. Satya Nadella came into picture. This was in fact a second political move by Trump. Trump very well knows that the elections are around the corner, and on 3rd of November 2020, elections are going to happen. Hence, Now Satya Nadella, the CEO of Microsoft company, is in talks with ByteDance company to purchase it. And in fact, the bid has already started. This is all a geopolitical move which in fact Trump came into picture. In fact, Trump very well knows the elections are around the corner. On 3rd of November 2020, elections are going to happen in USA. And in fact, it's a big vote bank which Trump cannot lose very easily. Hence, Satya Nadella came into picture, and now Satya Nadella is in talks with the Microsoft company. And in fact, Trump had fixed a deadline of 15th of September by which ByteDance company needs to sell all the shares. So when the talks got started, ByteDance company said that they are going to sell only 30% of share and 70% of share will remain with ByteDance company. But now, as per the latest news of 4th of August 2020, Trump has clearly mentioned that Trump wants 100% share of TikTok in USA. And in fact, he has given the deadline of 15th of September by which ByteDance company is required to sell almost the entire share to US Microsoft CEO. And I would just like to summarize everything by saying that TikTok will not get banned in USA, number one, because it's a big vote bank for Trump and elections around the corner. Next thing, this is going to impact in a very big manner to India as well. If the TikTok does not get banned in US, that's for sure that TikTok is going to return in India as well. Thank you so much guys for watching my channel. Stay tuned to my channel. If you want any news which needs to be given in English, just mention me in my comment box. I'm going to read out the entire news, dig down with each and every detail. Thank you so much for staying with me on my channel.